Okay, so this is how you remember the common numbers that are converted from fraction to percentage, and this is necessary for P5 and P6, okay? So these numbers are useful because it will help you to save time in your exam so that you don't have to calculate them, and you will also get the correct answer, which will be more accurate than if you calculate, where there's a chance you can make a mistake. So without much further ado, these are the numbers that you need to know. The first one is easiest to always start from half. So if you have half, as you know, is 50%, okay? Next is to get a quarter. Now, a quarter is half of half because a quarter is half of 2 quarters. So that makes it half of 50%, hence you get 25%, all right? Now, 3 quarters is 3 times of a quarter, which is 25%. So 3 quarters is 75%. Okay, now we come to the eighths. Since 1/8 is half of 2/8, which is a quarter, which is 25, then it also follows that 1/8 is half of 25. So if 1/8 is half of 25, we should get 12.5%. 3/8 is 1/8 less than 4/8, okay? 3/8 is 1/8 less than 4/8. So if it is 1/8 less, it is also 12.5 less. So if you were to reverse this, then you were to subtract 12.5 from 50, you should get 37.5%. For 5/8, it is basically 1/8 more. It is 1/8 more than half, which is 50%. So if you add 1/8 to 4/8, you get 5/8. And so the number here is an addition of 12.5%. If you add 12.5% to this, you should get 62.5%. Okay, finally, you have 7/8, and 7/8 is 1/8 less than 1 whole. 1 whole is 100%. So if 100% is 1 whole, then to get 7/8, you subtract 12.5%. Okay, just like all the rest on top. So if you were to do that, then you will get here 87.5%. Okay, now one of the easy ways to remember the eights is that all the eights, 1/8, 3/8, 5/8, and 7/8, if you look carefully, you will notice that they all end with a 0.5. Okay, so this is one way you can help yourself to remember. Every time you see an 8 being tested, you should have a 0.5. Okay, and the rest of the numbers, as I've already explained. So now when it comes to percentage for thirds, okay, I'm talking about this portion now. So when we talk about percentage of thirds, you see, you must understand that if this is 1 whole, and a 1 whole is broken into 3 parts so that we can get thirds, then each part has to share the 100%. If you share 100% into 3 equal parts, each part can only have 33%, giving you a total of 99%. So the remaining 1%, okay, because 33 times 3 is 99, there's a remainder of a 1%. So this 1% is split into 3 equal shares of 1/3%, and you have 3 parts of it. So as a result, this is 1/3%, 33 1/3%. So you share the 1 whole into 3 equal parts, and you get 33 1/3. Now, as you can see, this is the answer for 1/3. Okay, because that's 1 out of the 3 boxes. So if that is the case, then your answer for 1/3 over here should be 33 1/3%. And for the 2/3, it will be 66 2/3%. Now, how do I get that? Very simple. You just got to take 33 times 2, 1/3 times 2, and basically everything is doubled, right? And of course, 3/3 would make a total of 100%. All right. As for the fifths, if you were to draw a similar box and you were to divide it into 5 parts, let's say we do it over here, you should be able to see that by doing this, you got 100% split into 5 equal shares. And with 100% split into 5 equal shares, every share is 20%. Okay, so if every share is 20%, then this would be 20, 40, 60, 80, and of course, this is 100. Okay, so it's sort of like the 20 times table. So these numbers, I repeat, are very important for P5 and 6 because many of the questions in the first paper where a calculator is not allowed do ask questions involving the change of fractions to percentage. If you are able to do that without doing calculations, you will first be more accurate, and secondly, you'll be saving a lot of time that allows you to work on other questions. So remember this. Good luck.